Watch me polish and ceramic coat this beautiful 2012 Corvette. I'm going to explain the job, what I used, and what I did, and then you can enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more detailing content. This client just got his Corvette from the dealership and wanted to take it to the next level. He already had my contact from a previous job, so he hit me up and said, give me the good stuff, I don't care about the price. So I pulled up with the Labo Cosmetica coatings and got to work. The Vette only has about 30,000 kilometers on it and was obviously taken care of well. I didn't record the prep wash, but it was my typical P&S brake buster for the wheels, Labo Cosmetica Primus for the pre-wash solution, Labo Cosmetica Semper for the pH balance shampoo, and then I used Underdog iron and fallout remover for the decon. We're only doing a one-stage polish on this vehicle because it doesn't need a full paint correction, so we're laying on Labo Cosmetica's Fiero, which is a coating primer polish. Before we actually put the coating on, there was a few things we had to touch up from the dealership. Apparently they did try to polish it beforehand, but they left polishing residue over all of the rubber and all of the cracks and crevices on this vehicle, and it was really bugging the customer. So we went over everything, cleaned that all up, and then for the coating, we went with a 2-layer STC plus HPC kit from Labo Cosmetica again. So this is going to give it a very hard base layer topped with a very hydrophobic top coat, and it's just a combo that's almost impossible to beat. I'll link my discount code for 3 different detailing suppliers down below. Between the 3 of those, it'll cover everything in this video and everything you'll ever need to detail. Aside from that, enjoy the rest of the video and the final results.